Alright guys, there's date and time on the Growing Fire 620. In this video, we're going to attempt to ride the service elevator here at the Frick Center in Elmhurst, Illinois. Now the previous elevator I filmed was the passenger elevator, which is an Otis Series 1. But now we're going to get on the service, hoping we don't get questioned. And if I do, I'll just say I got on the wrong elevator. So, now we're going to ride it down. I believe these are monitor fixtures of some sort. And it doesn't say you can't ride it, so I assume it shouldn't be a problem if I do ride it. But you can definitely tell the service elevator, judging by the flooring. So now we're going to go down the R, or B, if we can. Not quite sure what indicator that is, but probably made from some third-party company, I'm assuming. So we are at the basement. Oh, going up? Where are you going to? Paint. Which one? Paint?
Yes, please.
You got it. So the button for case burnt out. Yeah, no problem. Alright. Well. Okay. Well, didn't look like that lady questioned me. It's pretty hot in this elevator. Anyways, here are M. Now let's head down to the basement. It's got an Epco chime, it looks like. Or just did something weird there for a sec. Let's get our cat view here. It's definitely more industrial looking than the other elevator that I just rode. So there's your, that must explain why it's so hot up here, is because there's like literally a vent in the ceiling. So yeah, anyways, there's your indicator right there. Here are your fixtures. Those are some monitor, like I said. So now we're going to go back up to K, where we started. There's your certificate of inspection if you want to pause to read. And it doesn't say whether it's a service or a passenger. I assume students here can use it, so I'm not too worried.
Shooting working on Monday.
Hey, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna wash that clothes up. Not to get her on camera. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.